Soil fertility is the cornerstone of any thriving garden, yet modern gardening often leans heavily on synthetic fertilizers that can degrade soil health over time. Imagine a garden where the soil replenishes itself naturally, teeming with nutrients and vitality without the need for chemical inputs. This isn't a distant dream but a reality rooted in ancient agricultural wisdom. Long before industrial fertilizers, our ancestors cultivated certain crops not just for food, but because these plants had the remarkable ability to supercharge the soil beneath them. Today, rediscovering these ancient crops can transform how you garden, bringing vitality back to tired soils and cutting down your need for added fertilizers. These plants work with the soil, fixing nitrogen, breaking up compaction, and cycling nutrients in ways modern methods often overlook. Let's dive deep into 7 of these timeless crops that can help you build fertile soil the natural way, so you can grow stronger, healthier plants season after season. Before synthetic inputs dominated, farmers relied on crop selection to sustain and improve their land. Certain crops possess unique root structures and symbiotic relationships with soil microbes that enable them to fix nitrogen directly from the atmosphere, mobilize trapped minerals, or create channels in the soil to improve aeration and water movement. Growing these crops isn't just about planting, it's about working with nature's cycle. Their residues feed soil life and leave behind organic matter that builds long-term fertility. Understanding and integrating these plants into your garden rotation or cover cropping system can mean healthier beds and less dependence on external inputs. Clover has been a favorite soil builder for centuries, used extensively in European and American agriculture. It hosts rhizobia bacteria in root nodules, pulling nitrogen gas from the air and converting it into a form plants can use. This natural nitrogen boost is a game changer, especially in poor or depleted soils. Beyond nitrogen, clover's dense root system improves soil structure, prevents erosion, and supports a rich microbial community. When cut back or tilled in as a green manure, clover returns a flush of nutrients that can support heavy feeding crops without added fertilizer. Widely used in traditional Indian agriculture, fenugreek is much more than a flavorful spice. This legume excels at enriching soil with nitrogen and organic matter. Its fast growth and deep roots help loosen compacted soils, allowing better water penetration and root growth for subsequent crops. Fenugreek also produces bioactive compounds that may suppress soil-borne diseases and pests, creating a healthier soil environment. After growing fenugreek for just a few weeks, you can chop and incorporate it into the soil, providing a potent nutrient boost for your next planting. In many parts of Africa and Asia, pigeon pea has been relied upon for centuries as both a food source and a soil enhancer. This perennial legume tolerates poor soils and drought, making it invaluable in challenging climates. Pigeon pea's extensive root system not only fixes nitrogen, but also brings up nutrients from deeper layers, enriching topsoil layers when pruned or when leaf litter falls. It creates a natural mulch and improves organic matter content, reducing the need for external fertilizers. In your garden, pigeon pea can serve as a living hedge, shade provider, or a nutrient pump for other crops. Lablab bean, sometimes called hyacinth bean, has been cultivated in Africa and Asia for millennia. It's a vigorous climber that produces abundant biomass, which is fantastic for feeding soil microbes when turned under. Like other legumes, lablab fixes nitrogen but is especially prized for its ability to suppress weeds through dense canopy cover and improve soil tilth through its extensive root system. It's a dual-purpose crop nourishing soil and providing edible pods and seeds. In garden systems, lablab can be interplanted with taller crops or used as a ground cover to both enrich and protect soil. Cowpea is a staple in African and southern United States agriculture, and it's really prized for its rapid growth and nitrogen-fixing capacity. Its deep taproot system breaks through those tough hardpan layers, which helps improve water infiltration and aeration. What really sets cowpea apart is its adaptability. It thrives in heat and poor soils, making it honestly just an excellent choice for those tough garden spots. Cowpea residues decompose pretty quickly, releasing nutrients in sync with many vegetable crops' demands. Sowing cowpeas in fallow garden beds, or as a summer cover crop, can really jumpstart soil recovery and fertility. Mung bean has ancient roots in Asia as a staple legume, but it also plays a significant role in soil health. With its rapid growth and nitrogen fixation, mung bean replenishes soils quickly and leaves behind nutrient-rich biomass. This crop's relatively short growing season makes it ideal for quick soil rejuvenation between vegetable crops. It's also drought tolerant and can be intercropped with cereals to maximize land use while feeding the soil. For gardeners, mung bean offers an easy way to build fertility without long waits or heavy inputs. Alfalfa, sometimes called the queen of forages, has a reputation for deep roots that can reach several feet underground. This makes it a powerful soil miner, pulling up minerals and nutrients from deep layers inaccessible to most plants. It also fixes nitrogen, but its real strength lies in improving soil structure and organic matter with its deep, fibrous roots. Growing alfalfa for a season and then cutting it down to mulch your beds feeds the soil and improves water retention. While it's often grown on farms, small garden plots can also benefit from alfalfa's soil-building traits by growing it as a green manure. To harness the power of these ancient crops, consider incorporating them into your crop rotation intercropping or as cover crops. By planting legumes like clover cowpea or mung bean, you naturally build nitrogen levels. Using deep-rooted plants like alfalfa or pigeon pea helps unlock nutrients buried deep in the soil and improves aeration. Timing and planning matter. Some of these crops grow quickly and can be turned under mid-season, while others serve as perennials or living mulches. You don't need a large farm to benefit. Even container gardeners can grow these plants in pots or raised beds to enrich their soil. While synthetic fertilizers can offer a quick nutrient fix, they often do so at the expense of soil health. Over time, they can degrade soil structure, reduce microbial diversity, and cause nutrient imbalances. Ancient crops, on the other hand, work with nature's cycles, building soil fertility sustainably and regeneratively. They feed the soil life that in turn feeds your plants, creating a resilient ecosystem that requires less watering, fewer pest interventions, and fewer external inputs. The benefits compound season after season, making your garden more productive and sustainable. Rediscovering these 7 ancient crops isn't just about nostalgia. It's about practical, proven methods to nurture healthy soil without synthetic fertilizers. By working with these time-tested plants, you invite a living, breathing ecosystem back into your garden that continually renews itself. If you're ready to take your gardening to the next level, try growing one or more of these soil superchargers this season. Your soil and plants will thank you for years to come. If this guide has inspired you, don't forget to subscribe and share with your fellow gardeners. Together we can build gardens that grow stronger naturally, season after season. Happy gardening!